Hi everyone! Today I am going to explain about translocation of sucrose in sieve tube of phloem based on pressure flow hypothesis. Firstly, translocation is process in which transport the soluble organic products of photosynthesis via the sieve tube of phloem from the source cell to sink cell. I want to show you the diagram. First is source, sink, phloem that consists of sieve tube and companion cell, and the lastly is xylem. Source is a region in the plant where the photosynthesis occurs and organic solutes are synthesized, such as green leaf. And sink is an area where organic solutes is unloaded from the sieve tube to be utilized or stored, such as fruits. At source cell, glucose is produced by photosynthesis and converted into sucrose. Sucrose are loaded from source into companion cell, then into sieve tube by active transport. ATP is supplied by companion cell. Sucrose are transported via symplase and apoplase pathway. Accumulation of sucrose in sieve tube decrease water potential in sieve tube and cause water from xylem diffuse into sieve tube by osmosis. Movement of water will generate high hydrostatic pressure in sieve tube, but hydrostatic pressure in sieve tube near to the sink cell is low and it will create hydrostatic pressure gradient along the sieve tube. The gradient forces the phloem cell to flow along the sieve tube from source to sink. At sink cell, sucrose are unloaded from the sieve tube by diffusion. Concentration of sucrose in the sink cell is always lower than sieve tube. It is because sucrose is converted into starch. So, concentration gradient of sucrose between sieve tube and sink cell form. As a result, sucrose diffuses from sieve tube into sink cell, and this will cause water potential in sieve tube will increase. Water diffuses out from sieve tube into the xylem vessel by osmosis, thus generate low hydrostatic pressure in sieve tube. Therefore, the translocation is occur from source to sink.